Sponsored by RxCardClub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. RxCardClub.com. What is Trimebutine used for? Trimebutine relieves abdominal pain and helps to restore normal bowel function and may be used to treat motility disorders of the gastrointestinal tract such as irritable bowel syndrome and paralytic ileus after abdominal surgery. It is an antispasmodic. How does Trimebutine work? Trimebutine acts directly on smooth muscle by preventing the influx of extracellular calcium ions into smooth muscle cells and the release of calcium from intracellular calcium stores. This results in depolarization of the cell membrane and decreases peristalsis, the wave-like contractions of the colon that move food through the digestive tract. It also has effects of potassium ions, and both trimebutine and its active metabolites bind to muopioid receptors which also help to relax smooth muscle spasms. What is the dosage of trimebutine? The dosage of trimebutine usually ranges from 300 mg to 600 mg/day, usually split into 3 doses a day, for example 200 mg 3 times daily. Trimebutine is usually taken before food. What are the most common side effects of trimebutine? Common side effects include dry mouth, diarrhea/constipation, dizziness, drowsiness, headache, indigestion, nausea. Uncommon side effects that should be reported to your healthcare provider include difficulty urinating, hearing loss, or a painful enlargement of the breast. Is trimebutine available in the US? Trimebutine is not FDA approved and is not available in the United States. There is no equivalent of trimebutine in the US. Other antispasmodics available in the US include peppermint oil, hyoscyamine, and dicyclamine. Related questions: how long do venlafaxine withdrawal symptoms last? The do's and don'ts of treating constipation. What is mebeverine used for? What countries is trimebutine available in? Trimebutine is available in Canada and several other countries, such as Argentina, Bangladesh, Brazil, Chile, China, Colombia, Egypt, France, Georgia, Greece, Hong Kong, India, Lebanon, Mexico, Pakistan, Paraguay, Philippines, Poland, Portugal, Romania, Singapore. What are some brand names for trimebutine? Brand names for trimebutine include Antineme, Sinaprac, Colixane, Colospasmil, Colipan, Prolipsa, Debrecol, Debridat, Umotil, Umatrix, Utrancil, Fastpep, Foldox, Garapepsin, Gizmotil, Ibutine, Ercolon, Libatrim, Myopropin, Nubutine SR, Arudis, Tempus, Tidomol, Timota, Trimesha, Trimotil, Trimspa, Yuan Sheng Li Wei. Synonyms of trimebutine include Trimebutinum, Latin, Trimebutine, German, Trimebutine, French, Trimebutine, Spanish. RxCardClub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs.